of course. And empathy is one of those things I spin like in a level. So.
And also linguistics.
Yeah, linguistics.
Do you speak a lot of different languages?
Not psycho and sociolinguistics, but more like the subsets, the different branches, and primarily the role it plays in humor. So linguistics has different branches outside being bilingual and trilingual and the study of different languages. So.
And musicology.
Yeah.
You do acoustic guitar playing.
Yeah, well, I write, compose, arrange, transpose, I have a fundamental understanding of how music works.
And you lecture on all these subjects?
Yeah, because all of these fields intertwine at some given point. If you get into music, you're going to encounter phonology, which is a branch of linguistics that studies sound, and music is sound. And if you study in what is sound, if an A chord is 440 hertz, and you double 440 hertz is basically cycles per second, so number of wave vibration. So we've just transcended beyond music into physics. So they overlap at some given point in different areas.
Okay. But you're maybe more known, so you do all this, but you also have a YouTube channel called Mr. Pregnant.
Yeah.
Where you like sing and dance with your shirt off?
Yeah, Mr. Pregnant is a metaphor for full of it. It's kind of Mr. Pregnant was primarily created to materialize the abstract concepts I had. So I wanted to give a visual. If I wanted to illustrate visuals, I go walk, do a lot of putting thoughts and idea into perspective, self-reflection.
Okay, this is a good time of year for that.
And this is my fourth time, or third time on the show? Well, technically fourth time on Drum Box.